IBM SPSS Modeler is a comprehensive data mining and predictive analytics platform designed to help businesses and organizations make data-driven decisions. It provides a visual interface that allows users to build and deploy predictive models without needing extensive programming skills. This tool is widely used in various industries, including finance, healthcare, marketing, and more, for tasks such as customer segmentation, risk management, fraud detection, and market research. Key features of IBM SPSS Modeler. 1. A visual data mining. One of the standout features of IBM SPSS Modeler is its visual workflow interface. Users can drag and drop various nodes, representing different data processing and modeling tasks, onto a canvas to create a data mining process. This visual approach simplifies the process of data preparation, modeling, and evaluation, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. 2. Broad range of algorithms. IBM SPSS Modeler supports a wide range of statistical and machine learning algorithms. This includes regression, classification, clustering, association detection, and more. The platform also integrates with open-source machine learning libraries like Python and R, allowing users to leverage additional algorithms and techniques as needed. 3. Data preparation and transformation. Effective data preparation is crucial for successful data mining and predictive modeling. IBM SPSS Modeler provides robust tools for data cleansing, transformation, and integration. Users can handle missing values, outliers, and perform various data transformations to ensure the quality and relevance of their data. The tool also supports data integration from multiple sources, including databases, spreadsheets, and big data platforms. 4. Model evaluation and validation. IBM SPSS Modeler offers comprehensive tools for evaluating and validating predictive models. Users can assess model performance using various metrics, perform cross-validation, and compare different models to identify the best performing one. This helps ensure that the models are accurate, reliable, and ready for deployment. Applications of IBM SPSS Modeler. 1. Customer segmentation. In marketing, IBM SPSS Modeler is frequently used for customer segmentation. By analyzing customer data, businesses can identify distinct segments based on behavior, preferences, and demographics. This enables targeted marketing campaigns and personalized customer experiences. 2. Risk management. Financial institutions utilize IBM SPSS Modeler for risk management. The platform helps in predicting credit risk, fraud detection, and assessing the potential impact of financial decisions. By leveraging predictive analytics, organizations can mitigate risks and make informed decisions. 3. Healthcare analytics. In the healthcare sector, IBM SPSS Modeler aids in patient outcome prediction, disease outbreak detection, and operational efficiency improvement. Healthcare providers can analyze patient data to predict future health events and optimize treatment plans. Conclusion. IBM SPSS Modeler is a powerful tool for data mining and predictive analytics, offering a user-friendly interface, a wide array of algorithms, and robust data preparation and evaluation capabilities. Its applications span across various industries, helping organizations leverage data to drive strategic decisions and achieve better outcomes. Whether for marketing, finance, or healthcare, IBM SPSS Modeler provides the tools necessary to transform raw data into actionable insights.